Did you know your partner might have already broken up with you online, weeks before they ever said a word? It starts small. A tagged photo quietly removed. A couple's picture that disappears from their profile. Then they go private. You notice, but you tell yourself it means nothing. Maybe they just wanted a cleaner feed. Maybe they were tired of notifications. But here is what is actually happening. The soft delete is a slow, deliberate process. One photo at a time, one untag at a time, they are quietly erasing the relationship from their digital life. The story of you two is being rewritten before the conversation even starts. And the cruelest part? Most people only see it clearly in hindsight. After the breakup, they scroll back and realize the signs were all there. The digital goodbye came first. The real one just confirmed it. In the age of social media, some relationships do not end with a conversation. They end with a private account and a blank grid. Pay attention to the silence between the posts.